Hi, watch this. So I have two lists here. As I change to IT, look at that. This value is now immediately show here. So from here, same goes to this operation, and the list show up. How amazing is that? And this is using the latest Excel function, filter. Let's begin, right? So first you convert this into Excel table, and then we can start with the filter, and the table name is called table 1. So it highlights the entire table, followed by we want to check only on column department. So we type in table 1 square bracket department, and then what is the criteria? The criteria can be something you manage, you can hard code it, or you just refer to a cell, and that's it. And watch this. Wow, just done. I can change to marketing. Look at that. How amazing is that, this filter function? And thanks for watching.